Welcome to Raj Creations. Before starting this video, I request you to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon and under the options menu, select all so that you won't miss any notification from my channel. This is part B of big square motif of Kutch work. Here I have drawn a neckline and now I am drawing the inner half circle. This way you have to draw. Here we will fix the mirror. In the center part we will do borders part 1. This is borders part 1 video already uploaded on my channel. We will fill this part with that border. Now, as shown in the previous video, a square motif, I have sticked it to a carbon paper and now tracing this on paper to show you how we will draw this design. This way we have to draw all the 5 motifs on the outer edge of half circle. Here we will drawing a leaf-like pattern. This will be filled with simple stitches. Now on the other lower part we will draw the half circle on the other side and will trace the same motifs. The whole pattern will look like this. Now on the fabric I will show you how we have to do this. As you are able to see, I have traced this on a fabric. In this part we will do the border part 1 stitch. I will give you the link in the description. Here satin stitch and stem stitches are to be used, and here we will fix the mirror. I have already shown you a detailed video on big square motif, hence not covering that in this video. Here doing the simple satin stitch using 4 strands of thread. The purpose of this video is to show you how to make the motif in a form of design. Now doing the back stitch or stem stitch to cover this. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. If you like my videos, please share your thoughts. Share my video, like to my video and subscribe to my channel. This will be a great help. On the outer edge of half circle we will do the chain stitch. It's a simple and easy stitch. This way we have to complete this. After doing, the whole motif will look like this. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.